Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, we will learn some of the tag commands that are available in the Git. Now, first we will see about this viewing tags. How to view the tags for a particular repository. The command for viewing the list of tags in a particular repository is the command is git space tag. So the git space tag, the command will print the list of all tags that are present in the current repository. So if you want to check all the tags that are present in that current repository, means you can just type git space tag, that's it. So you can have the complete whole list of all the tags that are created from the starting of the repository. And we can also search for the tags. So for example, if you are having 100 tags in a particular repository and you want to search for a particular tag, means so that git tag command also provides us with an option. The option, so there is nothing but we can search for tags that match a particular pattern. So with a particular pattern, we can also search the tags by using the command git tag -l. -l here this is the -l. -l is nothing but list. So from the list and then passing the wildcard. So we will be passing a wildcard. For example, git tag -l star beta star means so it will search for all the tags which is having beta as a text in the tag name. Will print all the list of that include beta in their name. So in their name, in the list of all the tag names, if the beta name is there in the tag name, means it will list all the tags. So this is the thing of searching the tags in the Git repository. Now if you want to go into the tag, so if you want to check out the tag, so if you want to check out a particular tag, means you will be having a command that is nothing but git checkout tag. So the name of the tag we can write here and you will be able to go into that particular commit. So you can remember that tag is nothing but the commit. So you are making one particular commit hash, you are tagging that one. So that means so git checkout tag is nothing but we are going to the particular commit. So nothing but git checkout, we will go to the particular commit hash. So how we will be going to commit hash. If you go from master to particular commit hash, means what it will become, it will become a detached head. In the same scenario, if you go to a particular tag, means you will get a detached head. To view the state of a repo at a particular tag, so we can use git checkout tag name. So this puts us in a detached head, as we already learned. So it keeps us in a detached head. So these are the common commands. So let's try to see it in the real time. So now what I will try to do is I will try to take the very popular repository React. Okay, we will go into the React and we will try to see it. So Facebook/React, I am trying to clone this one. So here we are having 138 tags. Okay, so let's try to clone this one and let's try to see list all the tags and search the tags and check out a particular tag and we'll try to see it. So I am taking a clone of this one. So I am taking here and let's go to the command prompt and here I can write something like git clone and I can paste it here. Okay, so now it is trying to clone. So it may take some time. Why? Because the React project is little bit bigger, right? So it will take some time to clone the project. So let it clone. Now we have cloned the project. So successfully we have cloned the React project. Let's go into the React project. So now what I will be doing is so cd space React. So yeah, I went into the React project. Now right now we are in the master. So now what we have learned, to view all the tags, we need to type git space tag, right? So now we are able to see all the tags that are present in the React project. So if you want to go, so you can go down. So like this, you can go on going like this. So now the latest tag, we will be able to see that it is 17.0.2. So if you try to see the tag names, so prefix they have added v. So v suggests that it is a version 17.0.2. So 2 means it's a patch release, 0 means minor release, 17 is the major release. If you try to see here, 17.0.0 is the major release. So for this 17.0.0, they have released 2 patch releases. Okay, so they are following the semantic versioning. Now we will be able to understand these are all the version names. So by seeing the version name, we are able to realize. And here alpha 0, these are all some patch releases. Okay, so not patch releases. What I can say is these are alpha releases. So for checking. So now, so this is the thing, right? So now if you want to search for a particular tag, so for example, so git tag -l. If you type -l and without any search, means same thing will come. So you will be able to see all the all the tags. So now what I can say is, so if you try to search, git tag -l for the name beta, Okay, so who whatever the tag we are having the beta, so we need to list the tag. So if we try press enter, nothing is there. Why? Because so it is we are searching for a particular tag which is having beta. So there is no tag exists in the tags that with the name beta. So now we need to tell that okay, so list me the tags which are having which starts with the beta. So beta star means so whichever the tags we are having, so that starts with the beta. So the afterwards after beta, so whatever the pattern it will be, we don't care. So it starts with the beta, we'll see. So now we don't have any tags that starts with beta. So now if you want to check, so start with any in between. So if you have a tag name means, so wherever the beta matches, so show me the tags. So if I try press enter, so here we are able to see the tags. So here you will be able to see beta.1, beta.3, beta. So ending a beta also it is okay. So like this we will be able to see. Okay, so this is how we will be searching the tags. And another one what I can say is, so if you want to check out a particular tag, so okay, if you want to go to a particular tag means what we can do. So we have told that git checkout. So it is nothing but what I can say is something like what I can say is checking out a particular commit. So now I will check out git checkout. We know version 17.0.0, right? So I am checking out to this particular major release 17.0.0. So if I check out, see now I am in the versions v17.0.0. So now we are in a detached rate. So we went to that particular commit. Commit means we are just adding a flag to that particular commit, and we are adding a flag means that is nothing but a tag. So we went to that particular commit, and you can, if you want, you can create a branch from here. So you can write something like branch from tag or something like this, and you can write it. So now from that tag we have created a new branch so that we can continue our work from 17.0.0. Not only this one, so we can also check the difference between the two tags also. So if you want to check the difference between two tags, so we will be using the diff command. So for example, so let me clear out this one all. Yeah, so if I want to check the difference between 17.0.0 and 17.0.1, so if you want to check the difference means, so I can write something like v17.0.0 and space v17.0.1. So we can check like this also. So now we will be able to see the diff. So here we are able to see the diff that only one file has been changed between the 17.0.0 and 17.0.1. So this is a patch release. So only one file has been changed. Okay. So these are the 5 lines added and 1 line has been removed. So in the what we can say React fiberlane.js. So this is only 1 line. So now if I want to check between 17.0.0 and 17.0.2. So now how can I check is, this is the second patch release for the major release 17. So if I click enter, so now we are able to see so many files has been changed. See, so between 17.00 and 17.0102, so we are having so many files that has been changed. So in this way what we can see is we can check the difference between the two tags. So what are the files that has been changed between the two tags? So if you want to check means, we can check using this command. So this is how we will be doing these all navigation in the tags. So if you want to view the tags, you can use the git tag command. If you want to do with a search pattern means git tag -l, and you can give the wildcard entry, so star beta star something like that. And if you want to check out a particular tag, so you can write the git checkout and the tag name. And also if you want to check the difference between the two tags, what are the files that has been changed between the two tags means, we can use the command git diff tag name 1 and the tag name 2, so that we will see all the files that has been changed between these two tags. Okay, hope you understood about this tag commands. So in the next video what we will try to do is, we will try to create a first tag that is nothing but lightweight tag, and then afterwards we will create an annotated tag also. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.